Teachable Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of Teachable. For more details and to explore the platform, check the links in the description below. Teachable is one of the leading platforms for creating and selling online courses. It's designed for content creators, entrepreneurs, and educators who want to monetize their expertise. Whether you're teaching a skill, sharing knowledge, or creating a full-fledged educational program, Teachable offers a user-friendly solution to build and sell courses without technical expertise. One of Teachable's standout features is its ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert to create a course. The platform provides intuitive drag-and-drop tools for course creation, making it accessible for beginners. You can upload video lessons, quizzes, assignments, and even coaching materials with a few simple clicks. Additionally, Teachable allows you to fully customize your course's design, ensuring it aligns with your brand and looks professional. Teachable also provides several pricing options, ranging from free plans to premium subscriptions. For those just starting, the free plan allows you to test the waters without any financial commitment. However, if you're looking to scale your course business, the paid plans offer more features like advanced analytics, email marketing tools, and the ability to offer coupons and discounts to your students. The platform is perfect for instructors who want to create a passive income stream by selling courses, offering membership subscriptions, or even coaching services. With a robust support system, including 24/7 customer service, you can feel confident knowing you have help when needed. In summary, Teachable is an excellent choice for creators and entrepreneurs looking to build and monetize online courses. With its easy-to-use interface, flexible pricing plans, and comprehensive features, Teachable allows you to create a high-quality learning experience for your students while managing your business effectively. Check the links in the description to start building your own course today.